In this video, we will learn how to use window functions in SQL. By using window functions, we can perform calculations and transformations on a set of rows within a specific window or range. These functions operate on a subset of the rows returned by a query, and are typically used in conjunction with the over clause, which defines the window or range of rows to be included in the calculation. The window function is then applied to this subset of rows, rather than to the entire result set. The main SQL commands which are used in the example are: select, used to select the columns to display in the results set; sum, used to calculate the running total of the revenue column; over, used to specify the window or range of rows over which the function operates; partition by, used to group the rows by a specific column or set of columns; order by, used to specify the order in which the rows should be processed by the function. In this example, we use the sum function as a window function to calculate the running total of revenue for each person over time. We use the over clause to specify the partitioning and ordering of the rows in the window, and then applied the sum function to the revenue column within that window. This allowed us to calculate the running total of revenue for each person over time, without affecting the overall result set. By understanding how to use window functions, we can solve a variety of data manipulation problems in SQL. Thanks for watching. Can you tell me if you found the video helpful, and if you would like to watch more videos like this, or you have a topic that you would like to see next? Please let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.